In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete invoices in QuickBooks Online. Managing invoices is an essential part of keeping your books accurate and up to date, and sometimes you may need to delete some unwanted invoices. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Sales tab, which you can find on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This section is your hub for all things sales related, and it's where we're going to find those invoices you're looking to delete. Once you've clicked into Sales, select the Invoices tab. This tab is specifically designed to showcase all your invoices in one centralized list. Here, you can view all the transactions you've made, whether they're pending, paid, or even overdue. It's a great way to keep an eye on your cash flow. But today, our focus is on simplifying this list by removing the unwanted entries. As you scroll through your list of invoices, you will notice that each invoice has a little checkbox next to it. This checkbox is your tool to select which invoices you want to remove. Simply tick the box for each invoice you wish to delete. Remember, you can select multiple invoices at once if there's more than one you need to clear out. After selecting the invoices, your next step is to look towards the top of the invoice list for the Batch Actions drop-down menu. This menu is a powerful tool for managing multiple transactions all at once and can save you a lot of time. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of actions you can perform. Among these actions, you'll find the Delete option. Now, it's crucial to pause here and ensure that deleting these invoices is indeed what you wish to do, because once they're gone, there's no way to recover them. Once you're confident, go ahead and click Delete. The moment you do, a final confirmation pop-up will appear. This is your safeguard to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm by clicking Delete again in the pop-up, and just like that, those invoices will be removed from your list. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to clean up your invoice list in QuickBooks Online. This method ensures that your records remain organized, helping you maintain an accurate overview of your sales activities. Whether you're tidying up after recording duplicates or clearing out erroneous entries, this process is an invaluable skill to have in your bookkeeping toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more QuickBooks Online tips and tricks.